What happened at your school? Why can't you go to school?
Because the coronavirus.
Can you tell the people on YouTube what's the coronavirus?
It makes people sick.
Hey guys, this is Jesse. I'm here with my little brother.
My name is Gabriel.
And today we're going to be making a pineapple coconut rum cake using a box. Today we decided to go with the box because of the coronavirus situation. I didn't really feel like actually baking it from scratch. But today we found this really good Duncan Hines. It's one of my preferred brands. Betty Crocker is my second favorite. And they have this very good pineapple cake. So for today's recipe, you guys are going to need
A crackers.
You're gonna need a coconut rum cake mix. You're gonna need 3 egg yolks, a third of a cup of oil, a third of a cup of sour cream, about a cup and a half of milk, and we separately have our egg whites, which we're gonna fluff up in a minute. And we're gonna need approximately 50 ml of our coconut rum. What's your favorite cake?
My favorite cake is strawberry cake.
Why do you like strawberry cake?
Because it has strawberries in it.
We're going to pour in our milk.
Yes.
Our a cup and a half of milk. Our 3 egg yolks. Gonna make sure to get that all in there. And just to make sure, I'm just gonna add my oil in. I know this may get a lot of backlash online, but I just want all my egg yolk to get in. We're gonna add our sour cream, and for this, we're gonna pour it in. So Gabriel is going to mix our cake mix, and we're gonna take our bowls to a side. A lot of parents are going to be wondering the same thing my mom just told me. Why do we have alcohol in this cake? So usually alcohol is 21 and over here in the United States. The reason why I like using coconut rum is when you put it in the recipe, it's going to taste the coconut, the rumminess, and the alcohol cooks in the oven. It evaporates, there's no alcohol, so it's completely safe for kids to consume. So just letting you all know. This is just a very little small bottle I have. Blue. Here, show YouTube what color your bunny is.
My bunny is like this.
Wow.
The shoes do look like Sonic's, but they're not.
But they're not Sonic shoes? Why?
Because the red is gotta be right here, and the white is gotta be right here only. But it's right there. But 2 mistakes Junior made. He made this a mistake at this. He got to paint them red.
Okay guys, so we have Gabriel over here in the other side of our kitchen. Say hi, Gabriel.
Hi.
So Gabriel has our 3 egg whites that we have in our bowl over here. So we're gonna make our egg whites fluffy. What does this do to a cake? Because you wanna make a sponge cake, it is going to fluff up our cake. So you guys see, we just have 3 egg whites.
For it cannot be hard.
Exactly, here Gabriel, okay? We're gonna hold it here to a level 1. Okay, hold it good. Don't look at the camera, look at here. And we're gonna go like this. Make sure it gets airy and fluffy, okay?
I think it's ready. Let me check. He's done right now. Oh my god, hopefully it doesn't fall. Ah! Wait, okay. Oh! You don't want to make Sonic tonight? It's a little bit too thick. We're just gonna add a little bit more milk. Yeah, can make it more thicker? Can you light it? Gabriel, you put it on my laptop. I don't know what to do.
Are you good, okay?
Yes.
So now that we have our egg whites, as you can see, our egg whites are really good. We flipped it, they don't fall, that means they're at peak. So we're just gonna get some of our egg whites. We're gonna
Put it in.
Scoop our egg white in.
And then he's gonna mix it after. And I'm just cleaning Mr. Bunny. Does he look clean?
I think he does. Comment down below if you think Mr. Bunny looks clean.
Yeah, but he's wet. I need to make him dry.
Yeah, así está bien. Okay, what do you want to tell the camera? Tell the camera, Gabriel, while I do this. Do you miss going to school?
Not a little bit.
Why do you miss going to school?
Because I miss my friends, but one of my friends lives up the hill.
Can you tell the camera what are your friends' names?
Max, Daniel.
Pants.
We're gonna put butter on the pans. I'm gonna do one, and my brother's gonna do one.
Butter out. I'm gonna leave that on there for me. And we're just using like about this much. My pans are non-stick pans. It's a little bit dirty. It's gonna go like this. Gabriel, and you're gonna go like this with your butter. You're gonna butter the pan. Butter it. Do you know what butter's made out of, Gabriel?
Milk.
Milk.
Yeah, I read it in one of my books at my school.
What's your teacher's name?
Miss Toledo.
Oh, you want to tell Miss Toledo hi on YouTube?
Hi, Miss Toledo.
Do you miss your teacher?
I miss her a little bit.
Ah! Who was your favorite teacher in school? Was it the other teacher?
My favorite teacher is Miss Toledo.
Oh. And Miss Anna. Do you want to say hi to Miss Anna too?
Hi, Miss Anna. You were my old teacher in kinder.
Wow. With her baby now, right?
Yeah, and her baby likes Harry Potter.
Wow. Do you like Harry Potter?
Yes.
Awesomeness. Here, spread the butter evenly like my pan. So this is how you butter your pans. These pans are from Good Cook. You could get these at Albertson for $8 each pan, which here in California, which I think is pretty good. It's a 9-inch pan. So here, you want me to help you? So get the butter and go like this, Gabriel. Go with your hand like this. Fold it in our 3 egg whites. So now we're gonna transfer this onto our pan. Finished putting our pineapple coconut rum mix into our cake tin. This one has less cake mix than this one, so I'm gonna put this one in the oven first. I do use an electrical oven because my gas oven doesn't work, and we're gonna put these in the oven from 25 to 40 minutes. Because this one is lighter, this one's probably gonna take like 25, and this one's gonna take like 30-ish. They're gonna sponge up and rise, and when we're done, we're gonna show you guys how to make
the decorating.
Yes, we're gonna do a vanilla cream cheese whipped cream frosting. Right, Gabriel?
Yeah, and we're gonna put sprinkles on it.
Of course, we will be right back. Say bye, Gabriel.
Okay, bye.
Okay, guys, so we have here just our cream cheese. We're gonna throw in 4 ounces, which is just half the cream cheese at room temperature.
Please move.
back to my channel. It's Jessie. Your name.
My name is Gabriel.
And we are back. So this is our pineapple coconut rum sponge cake. It is really good. We have a green layer, our swirl with some sprinkles. We have our vanilla cream cheese whipped cream frosting all over. It tastes amazing. It tastes bombastic. We haven't tried it yet, but we'll be eating this tomorrow morning. If you want to see how it comes out, you can go on my Instagram, link down below. What do you think about this cake, Gabriel?
It's good.
It's really good. Did you like making it?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, I hope you guys like it. Comment, like, and subscribe. The recipe is down below, as well as the quantities that I used for this cake.
If you want to make it, watch our video where you can make the pineapple cake.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching, and see y'all later. Bye.
Bye.